lose in this game have to pay all the bill for today, okay?
Oh, sure.
That's it? Sure.
Or else there will be no food for 1 week.
Okay, fine.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste.
Ngasi koi pork ribs eating challenge tauge 5 minutes ta ko akoi 6 ribs hape ba koi ni kije ado 5 minutes ta lotion ma han ba do aduna first adune. And what would be our punishment? Whoever lose in this game have to pay all the bill for today, okay?
यही नहीं अभी और सुनिए.
Else there will be no food for 1 week.
Okay, fine. Chalo then. It's time. I have give here a 5 minutes. So I'll just give it here. Shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I represent Manipur. He
That
represent
means
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya versus
Manipur.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Time start now. It's fast now. Have to eat fast. Fast. Time's up. How much you left?
3.5 I guess.
3.5. I left one big one here. So I'm the winner and you are the second. It's okay. Don't worry. Because I used to eat so fast, no? Dinner time also, lunch time also, I used to eat so fast. I used to eat like slowly and
So judges will be
guys, audience. So
viewers,
it's
right?
like we give only 5 minutes, no? That's why. If we give so much of food here and then if we check who eat more, no? I might be second. It's depend on speed, no? Eating speed I have, I know. In the meantime, I'll drink some water. Yeah.
The thing is, like, you know, like it takes more time for me to chew.
So guys, almost done here. And all the food. 3 pieces left. 2.5 or 3 like that. And here I have one big one.
He's a winner. I'm a loser, I guess.
Not a loser, it's just second. I'm first, you're second, that's it. So I use about the subscriber ma'am. I will subscribe to video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.
Ding ding.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.